a ABARTH on the channel. Such an exciting car. And what tops it off, a 17-year-old has bought an ABARTH. Okay, I was only messing. It's not naturally a ABARTH. It is just a normal Fiat 500C. But as you can see, it's got the full ABARTH kit. Apologies for the clickbait title, but you can't really pull it apart from an actual ABARTH. Just look at this car. So yeah, this car is a 1.2 lounge. It doesn't look like a 1.2 lounge at all. Maybe from the interior you guys can get that it is just a normal Fiat 500. But of course from the looks, it is most definitely an ABARTH. It's got the full ABARTH kit on it. Front bumper, wheels, rear bumper, exhaust. It sounds like an ABARTH. Sounds absolutely tremendous. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's show you some shots of the car and let's get into this review. So to begin with, let's hear the exhaust on this, because honestly I don't know how they managed to get such sound out of such a small engine, but it does sound absolutely incredible. So yeah, check this out guys. Yeah, go for it. As you would have heard, that sounds absolutely phenomenal. Honestly, I don't know how they're getting that sound out of this car. It sounds absolutely fantastic. And the best thing this 17-year-old has done, 17-year-old, I said 70, 17-year-old has done, he's got the convertible. Now, on a day like this, you know, you've probably got the best car. You've got a convertible. You've got that noise coming out of your exhaust. What else do you want? And you got a car that looks like this good as well. No, absolutely brilliant. Big fan of this car, always have been. And of course, this edition of it, it's not the actual ABARTH, but as you would have heard, seen by now, there's not much in it at all between this and the real stuff. But yeah, absolutely brilliant. Now let's go take it for a drive. Let's get some more sound clips in, because that's what the main bit is of this video. And yes, let's take it from there guys. So guys, welcome. This is what it's all about, the roof off. I've always, as I've mentioned so many times before in my videos, I've always liked a sunroof. I've liked a panoramic roof, but this is just the best, isn't it? Absolutely perfect, especially on a day like today as well. Oh man, what a thrill it is to have your roof off and have such a nice sounding exhaust as well. So what we're gonna do, of course, like I said, it's not an ABARTH, it is just a normal car. I don't want to ruin this lad's car as well. So we'll just go to some tunnels. Let's get some more shots of how it sounds, and we'll call it a day. But yeah, I am really enjoying this ride. What I didn't mention as well in the beginning is that this car, not only has it got the cosmetics of an ABARTH, it also has the ABARTH suspension as well. I'm on these country roads, you know, doing decent speed, and it is gripping these roads so well. Honestly, it's such a fun car to drive, especially with that exhaust and this roof off. Absolutely brilliant. Can you hear that, guys? Woo! Brilliant. What a fun car, honestly. I absolutely love it. Even though, of course, it doesn't have the speed of an ABARTH, you don't need it. You've got the exhaust. It's doing it justice. And again, this roof, on a day like this as well, such a brilliant driving experience. Okay, so we've got to some tunnels. Let's see what it sounds like. happy?
Very. I was just saying to him, like I said, he's only 17 years old. He's got such a brilliant car. I remember when I was 17, I didn't have nothing like this. Nothing like this at all. So yeah, so I've been saying to him, enjoy it, make the most of it. Especially on days like this as well. Absolutely brilliant. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna come back around. Gonna get some outside shots. Gonna try to anyway. And we'll see how it sounds from outside, because I know for a fact that it does sound a lot better outside. So yeah, let's go and do that. So yeah guys, back in the passenger seat, I thought, you know what, come back in here. I'm getting too excited, getting way too carried away in this car. Such a brilliant car, absolutely enjoyed it. And I remember seeing a slogan somewhere, I think it was, life's too short to drive boring cars. And honestly, absolutely right, you need a car like this. I mean, how much did you pay for this car again? Was it four and a half? About 4,500 you paid for it. And look what look at the amount of fun we're having in this car right now. Absolutely brilliant. I mean, even if you get just a 9135 just goes past, absolutely wonderful. Yeah, so I mean, even if you get a 500C convertible, get this Scorpion exhaust on it, jobs are good. And honestly, it's such a brilliant car. Absolutely enjoyed it. Yeah guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I have enjoyed making it. I'll see you all on another video. Take care, see ya, bye bye.